SteamOS has a number of useful gestures and button combinations that not everyone is aware of. For example, did you know that you could bring up the mouse cursor and then control it by first pressing and holding on the Steam button in the bottom left corner, and then either using the trackpad or the right joystick? I tend to prefer the trackpad for this combo, since it's easier for me to be more precise with the mouse cursor, but it will work for whichever method is best for you. While doing this in gaming mode, the mouse will function like it does in desktop mode, so you can use the R2 button as a left click, but you can also use the L2 button as a right click. This will work within SteamOS, as I'm showing you here, but it will also work while you're playing a game as well. I tend to use this in games when I would rather not use the touchscreen, but it can be especially useful for unsupported Steam Deck games that display a text box that you have to activate. This is just one of the many button combos that Valve has embedded into the Steam Deck, and you'll find more of these here on the channel. So be sure to like this video and then subscribe to the channel for more Steam Deck tips like this.